Hi, welcome to Iggy Goalies Goes box break number 53. Today we're doing 3 boxes of 10-11 playoff Contenders hockey. Your current time is 11:01 p.m. Saturday, September the 15th. We are cracking a fresh case today, so I'm glad you could join me. Or us. And your list of winners: Western Conference on the left, Eastern Conference on the right. Duckfoot and E-Froggy both had 5 teams. Parrot Head had 6 teams. So he takes away the owner with the most teams card. And your last auction, won by Duckfoot. No autofocusing, okay. Winnipeg Jets, 1502 is the final value. And as proof for the person with the new feature today, with the card for the person who paid the most money in the break, it also goes to Parrot Head, who paid a total of $121.04. Next person up was E-Froggy with 9017. Alright everybody, so as this is just a model box, I will not show you the serial number for that, but that's the stuff we're doing. Parrot Head, so the person who spent the most money gets the Marc-Andre Fleury autograph patch card. That's out of 11-12 Contenders. The back looks quite similar to the 10-11 collection. And also, the person who gets the most teams gets the Alex Stalock. So today, Parrot Head gets both of these cards. Last time, 11:03 p.m. So, let's get on to the proof here. Sealed. 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 And sealed. Okay, so I'm going to take 3 out, and I'm going to bust 3 boxes open, guys. And Sunday night, finishing off that master case, I have 3 boxes and then 1 solo box later on in the week. And that feature with the prize for the person with the most teams. Okay, so we're going to take these 3 boxes and do them. Take everything out for now, just so I can be organized too. Just bear with me, please. Alright, there we go. We're nice and ready for this break now. Okay, everybody, so I will show you the serial numbers, not that they really count, but maybe they have some correlation with the rest of the case. So, go 56179561, 899299203, 899290223. Alright, so maybe we can pull a golden ticket this time around, but as you guys saw in the gallery, I added some nice pictures of the other stuff you can get, so maybe I can pull an NHL ink, which is a double-sided quad autograph. It'd be pretty cool to pull one for Edmonton or something like that. Wondering if I can do it. There we go. First empty box. So the master case is certified Sunday night. We are ending the master case, so 1 more individual box after that. So if the one is going to be anywhere, it's going to be within those 4 boxes altogether. So our first hit of the day, Alexander Burmistrov, rookie on-card autograph for the Winnipeg Jets. Atlanta Thrashers, aka Winnipeg Jets. Next up, we have a little bit of base. Oh, it's nice cracking a case. It is nice. Alright, here we go. And we have a legendary Contenders, Charlie Hodge. Charlie Hodge for the Montreal Canadiens. Spacer. Got some base. Next up, Leather Larceny, Jonas Gustafsson, the Monster, for the Toronto Maple Leafs. He's now playing with the Detroit Red Wings. Good luck to you, Monster. You're probably going to do much better with Detroit than you did with the Leafs, but that's what I get for being a Leaf fan. So, and another ex-Leaf being signed by Detroit as the lockout looms, Carlo Poliakovo, guy who was injured 90% of the time in Toronto. He's gone on to play pretty well for St. Louis and probably for Detroit too. Next up, we have season ticket Ryan Clough for the San Jose Sharks. Season ticket Ryan Clough, or playoff ticket, I should say. That is numbered 47 out of 100. 2 base. Next up, we have a splendid pack of base. Next up, we have some more base. Alright, we have a redemption. Rookie ticket card number 158. Let's see what it is. 158 rookie ticket. 158 is Mike Moore for the San Jose Sharks. 158 Mike Moore. Let's just get that redemption. 158 Mike Moore for San Jose. Next up, got base and awards contenders for the Los Angeles Kings. James Norris Memorial Trophy, Drew Doughty. For the LA Kings, Drew Doughty. Some base. Next up, we have. Whoa, what's that? Let me have a little sneak peek. Oh, interesting article in the Globe today. I don't know if anybody reads that, but it mentioned this player and about how crazy Canadians are about hockey and how we should stop paying attention to hockey. And I was just like, whoa, how did this person write about that? How could they? A proud Canadian. We have a legendary contenders green, Phil Esposito. Phil Esposito, 10 out of 50. 10 out of 50. Phil Esposito for the Boston Bruins. Legendary contenders green. So we've got one pretty big hit so far. And of course we have that rookie autograph, which is always nice. And next up, for the Vancouver Canucks, we have perennial contenders, Roberto Luongo. There we go, Roberto Luongo. Yes, I like saying his name. I wouldn't mind having him in Toronto, but I think he's going to end up in Florida if he actually gets out of Vancouver. Some more base next. Excuse me, I don't know what's coming over me. There we go, and we have Against the Glass for the New York Rangers, Ryan Callahan. Ryan Callahan Against the Glass with a no autofocus. No autofocus. Not cool, but we have to move on. Spacer. Okay. Base. Yeah, so as I do this break, we're inching closer towards a lockout. Who knows how long it's going to be. For the LA Kings, we have Kelly Hrudey, classic ticket. Kelly Hrudey for the LA Kings. That card is not numbered. Next up is 2 base. Next pack is all base. Continuing with, we have a rookie for the Carolina Hurricanes, on-card autograph, Zach Dalpe. Come on, please autofocus. Nope, not happening. So that's Zach Dalp for the Carolina Hurricanes, rookie on card autograph. 2 base. Next up is base. And next we have draft tandems between the Pittsburgh Penguins and the Carolina Hurricanes. If we need to do a random between these two teams, which I believe we do, we will be doing it in a separate video. So Marc-Andre Fleury versus Eric Stahl. Card is not numbered, so it's just a regular. So we'll put that in the randoms pile. Finishing off with some base. Next up we have the Great Outdoors, Derek Roy. Great Outdoors, Derek Roy for the Buffalo Sabres. I believe he was traded to the Dallas Stars this summer. I believe. I might be mistaken about that, but I believe that was the trade. Because I know Mike Ribeiro went to Washington from Dallas, so they need to fill a hole, so I believe they got Derek Roy, who I think would be a better choice anyhow. And we have King Henrik Lundqvist, leather larceny for the New York Rangers. King Henrik. Seems like he gets better and better every season. Some base to finish that off. Next up, we have a rookie on-card autograph. Nino Niederreiter. Rookie on-card autograph for the New York Islanders. Next up, we have some base. And moving on, we have lottery winners. Jordan Stahl, drafted 2nd overall. This is for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Jordan Stahl. Some base. And we're almost done the first box, guys. Excuse me. And this pack is going to have a nice big jolly old spacer in it. And a couple base cards, of course, surrounding it. And next up is base again. Alright, last pack of the first box. Well, we have something, but I believe it's a regular. And Rookie of the Year contenders for the Carolina Hurricanes. We have Jeff Skinner. For the Carolina Hurricanes. Card is not numbered. And we got some base there. Okay, let's get the hits out of the way here. And let's move on to box number 2. So I just had to move some things around so my big old hands have room to work with. Do this nice and quick. Empty box. Alright, let's do it. So just behind the cards there I have the random. Alright, let's see what the first pack holds. Draft tandems between the Tampa Bay Lightning and the Philadelphia Flyers. Vincent Lecavalier, Simon Gagné, 2 Frenchmen. There we go. Oh, that will probably end up being randomized, as I think the 2 teams are different. I'm not going to waste time checking right now. But the 2 owners know who you are, so probably you're looking forward to that randoms video now. And we have a rookie, no signature, Dana Tyrell. 86 out of 100. 86 out of 100, rookie Dana Tyrell. 2 base. Next up, we have some base, spacer, and a little bit of base to finish off the pack. Next up is base. have the Great Outdoors, Mario Lemieux. Mario Lemieux, the Great Outdoors, Pittsburgh Penguins. That was from the alumni game that year. Mario Lemieux. 2 base. Is there anything else Pittsburgh in this stack? Let's see. More base. Next. Legendary Contenders purple. So we had a green, now we have a purple. Let's see which one's. Oh, okay. So the green is the better one to find, but nevertheless, Legendary Contenders purple for the Detroit Red Wings. Raji Vachon. Raji Vachon. Not sure if you can read that well, but I was checking the autofocus. Seemed to do well. 87 out of 100. It's 87 out of 100. Raji Vachon for the Detroit Red Wings. Let's see what we have on the right side now. Awards contenders for the Winnipeg Jets. We have Andrei Pavlik for the Vezina Trophy. Awards contenders Andrei Pavlik. This card is not numbered. Spacer. Some base. Next up, we have our second Nino Niederreiter rookie on-card autograph. Okay. That's interesting. In the one break, okay. There we go. Nino Niederreiter. Rookie on-card autograph. Number 2. Some base. Next up, we have a pack of base. Moving on. Perennial contenders for the San Jose Sharks, Danny Heatley. Perennial contenders, Danny Heatley for the San Jose Sharks. Spacer. 2 base to finish off. Next up, I believe we have a hit here, yep. Leather Larceny for the St. Louis Blues, Yaroslav Halak. Yaroslav Halak. Can barely get that autofocus going, but there's the card, Yaroslav Halak for the St. Louis Blues. Next, we have the Redemption rookie ticket. Let's just get through the rest of the packs here, and then we'll get to that Redemption. Yeah, we'll put it. There we go. You guys can see it now. Classic ticket for the New York Rangers. We have Rod Gilbert. Rod Gilbert. French or English, don't know which one it is. Probably English. Rod Gilbert. Anybody ever feels like correcting me about that, please go right ahead. I'm all ears. I'd love to pronounce it better if I could. And we have Against the Glass for the Carolina Hurricanes, Tuomo Ruutu. This card is not numbered. Next up, some base. Another fat pack here, I believe a spacer. Yes, indeed. And spacer is not protecting anything but base cards. Today, Edmonton sent down a bunch of rookies, young guys, to Oklahoma City Barons. So what was the first thing I did? I looked up tickets. And then I looked up where I can watch it online, of course. Although sports aren't that much fun to watch streaming online, but when there's no NHL, you gotta make do. So I'm sure nobody in Canada is going to be broadcasting Oklahoma Baron games. But the Nuge is going to be playing for them, and so is Jeff Schultz, so I want to see how he plays. And next up, we have Legendary Contenders, Bernie Parent. Bernie Parent for the Philadelphia Flyers. Bernie Parent. Got some base. Next up, we have. Okay then. This is a weird 2 boxes so far. We have a rookie on-card autograph, Zach Delp, again. For the Carolina Hurricanes, Zach Delp. Card is not numbered. Some base. That rookie ticket is 121 if anybody knows the card number. And Rookie of the Year Contenders for the Boston Bruins, Tyler Seguin. Some base. Third last pack of this box. And we have lottery winners for the Washington Capitals, Alex Ovechkin. For the Washington Capitals, lottery winners. Some base there. Next pack. Rookie on-card autograph for the New Jersey Devils. We have Jeff Frazee. For the New Jersey Devils. Sorry. Some base and last pack, and then we'll get to the rookie ticket. But 121 might be Nick Leddy. For Chicago. Might be. Leather Larceny, Jonas Gustafsson. Just like I put this video on loop or something. Jonas Gustafsson, Leather Larceny, and so 121 rookie ticket, 121. Rookie ticket 121. Nope. For the Boston Bruins, we have Zach Hamill. For the Boston Bruins. Alright, everybody, so let's get on to box number 3. Let's hope there's something real nice in here. I'm hoping there is. But those 2 legendary contenders, no complaints. A little bit weirded out by the doubles for those autographs, though. I'm really hoping that I'm not making them triples in this 3rd box. As you guys saw it, I didn't even shuffle the box. I just pulled it right out, so that's the way it came in the case. If you guys want me to shuffle them, please go ahead and tell me, but I'm not sure what's going on with the doubles here today. So that first pack was all base. This one seemed to just destroy itself as it was being opened. Don't want to damage anything, so it's going to take some precautionary measures here. Alright, we're good. And let's go. Let's see what it was all for. Yeah, just base. All of that safety just for some base cards. But if there was an autograph in there, it would have been a different story. So let's see what we can pull out of this 3rd pack now. That's some base and Leather Larceny, Jonas Gustafsson for the Toronto Maple Leafs. The monster strikes yet again. That's number 3 today. 2 base cards there. And for the Calgary Flames, we have rookie on-card autograph, TJ Brody. TJ Brody for the Calgary Flames. TJ Brody. 2 base. Base. And for the Philadelphia Flyers, we have lottery winners, James Van Riemsdyk, JVR. Switched places with Luke Shen of the Toronto Maple Leafs this summer. Next up, we have some base and draft tandems. Ales Hemsky versus Derek Roy, so Edmonton versus Buffalo. I think that's going to be randomized. I'll have it in that section. So for those who it does apply, check the randoms video attached in the link. Excuse me. And let's see what we got here. Awards contenders for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Sidney Crosby. Where's Contender Sidney Crosby for the Art Ross? Oh, spacer. Some base. Next up we have Awards Contenders for the Vancouver Canucks. For the Maurice Rocket Richard, we have Daniel Sedin. That's the Daniel Sedin, not the Henrik, the Daniel. Okay, and base. Next up we have base. And in the next pack we have, ooh, very nice, for the Montreal Canadiens, we have Mr. PK Subban, rookie on-card autograph. I bet you can tell I'm excited to pull this one after a bunch of duplicates and triplets there. We pulled a nice one, guys. PK Subban for the Montreal Canadiens, on-card autograph. There we go. PK Subban, guys. Not bad at all. There you go, Montreal. I am happy to pull that. I don't think I pulled one of those last two cases of the stuff I pulled, or did, so it's nice to get it. Alright, next up for the LA Kings, we have Classic Ticket, Luc Robitaille. There you are. Keep dropping a base card each time I do that. Okay, next up, it's 2 base. And next we have Legendary Contenders for the St. Louis Blues, Glenn Hall. Glenn Hall for the St. Louis Blues, Legendary Contenders. 2 base. Almost done, guys. I know it's been a bit of a longer one. I want to take my time today for you guys. For the Chicago Blackhawks, we have the Great Outdoors, Jonathan Toews. There we go, Jonathan Toews, Great Outdoors. Card is not numbered. Base. Got a fat spacer here, I believe. Where's the redemption? No, it's just a spacer. So, spacer. And some base in that pack. Excuse me. Got some base. That's a whole pack of base there. Next up, another pack of base. Oy vey. You put PK Subban in there and you slap me in the face with a couple of empty packs. Not nice, Panini, not nice. And we have Rookie of the Year Contenders. This guy just got signed to a new contract. For the Washington Capitals, we have John Carlson. Washington Capitals, John Carlson. Of course, doesn't want to autofocus. That's for the Washington Capitals, Rookie of the Contenders, John Carlson. Next is Draft Tandems, Purple, between the Columbus Blue Jackets, Rick Nash, and the Winnipeg Jets, Kari Lehtinen. So that is a purple, or a second purple card of the break. That's 72 out of 100. And Columbus and Winnipeg, yes, 2 different people, so that will be randomized. Some base. Next up is, we have a rookie here, on-card autograph for the San Jose Sharks, Tommy Wingels. Rookie on-card autograph. Card is not numbered. Base. 5th last pack. We're almost done, guys. I know I'm going a little bit slow today. Don't know why. For the Toronto Maple Leafs. Oh, this is why we're going slowly. I was saving this card for my enjoyment and my enjoyment only. Nazem Kadri. for the Toronto Maple Leafs, rookie on-card autograph. So 2 nice rookies came out of this. Nazem Kadri and PK Subban. Of course, Nino Niederreiter too. No complaints on that one. Especially there's 2 of them. And it's definitely a nice scoop at the end there as I was watching the auctions end. Right at the last moment, the guy with New York Islanders. And we have the Detroit Red Wings in the form of perennial contenders. The Mule, no, this isn't the Mule, this is Thomas Holmstrom, not Johan Franzen. Not the Mule, but probably, we could probably call him the Mule's teacher, shall we say. Next up, we have some base, and we have a playoff ticket, Ryan Callahan for the New York Rangers. Ryan Callahan. 87 out of 100. 87 out of 100, Ryan Callahan. Base. Second last pack, everybody. Let's see what we have. Starting off with some base. And against the glass for the Ottawa Senators, Chris Neal. Against the glass, Chris Neal. Spacer. Base. And last pack before the randoms video. Let's see what this will hold. So we have base. Spacer. And whoop! Last card is a base card. Alright, so that does it, everybody. Please check out the randoms video for those that it applies, and join me for Certified Sunday night. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.